Hey everyone, Casey here. New Tron Dapp. Looks pretty interesting, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Actually, I've already started my gang, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do it and some of the nuances already found, and then show you the contract, and then we'll add another gang member. So it's basically just like any other gang, Tron Dapp. You're going to need your Tron link or other browser extension. It does tell you a little bit about the game. Recruit bullies to your crew, rise the level and respect of your leadership, and invite your friends. There's 102 players, there's 329 hired bandits, and 35 gang leaders. Yep. So it tells you what you need to hire for each one of these. This guy will give you 10% bonus. This is the free one. You can confirm, and then after 24 hours of signing up, every 24 hours you get 50 rep. This is Big Mike. This is the first one. It's already open to purchase. It costs 5,000 rep or cash, and it's 200% profit per month. This is Botch, 25,000 rep, 205%. So, Auntie, Sweet Billy. Wow. Sweet Billy is apparently a pimp. And his specialization is a dealer, hijacker, the killer, and the cop. For every rep you buy, he'll receive 1 point. The commission received from purchases of friends will also bring you 1 point. Yeah, stars. Smart audit. Let's go back up here. We'll hit start playing because it's going to ask you if your sponsor. You can actually change your sponsor. I will have a link in the description, and if you click that link, I will be your sponsor. If you don't choose me, choose somebody else, because it costs you nothing and it helps somebody else out. So I currently have, I wonder why that's not showing. We'll reload. Yep, 201 rep and 0 cash. It tells you the turnovers, earned, total players. Basically, you can withdraw your cash, and it converts it to TRX, obviously. So, with my current income, I get 10 rep per hour and 5.56 cash per hour. Here is all of the people. Like I said, he's already open. You could just straight up buy him. If you click on them, it'll tell you it's 5,000 rep to buy them. Like Botch, you'll have to open. So he's 12,500 rep to open. And then you can buy them for 25,000 rep a piece. So you can buy multiples. I'm going to buy another one of these guys here in a minute. But if you want to, you can just straight up buy dirty for 500,000 rep. So, rep, when you're buying rep, they're asking the amount of rep you would like to purchase. So 50 rep equals 1 TRX. So I want to buy 4,800 rep. So it's asking me to confirm transaction. That is 96 TRX. So it takes, after you hit submit, it took probably 2 or 3 minutes to actually show up here. So what we'll do is we'll hit the smart contract, and currently the balance is 153,000 TRX. It started probably 6 days ago. It started 6 days ago. They actually just started promoting it on the 18th. So today's the 20th. So realistically, it's 2 days in. I mean, it had 10 TRX in it. It's not like they were starting to prep it for themselves. It took a little bit for them to get it up and then promoting. So nothing 100% out of the usual there. It's going. You can read all their contract if you would like. You can read the contracts starts. So you can check all this stuff out. I normally try to make sure I go through it and at least look at it, make sure it falls into my standards. And then write contract. So buy rep, bribe the cop, withdraw admin base, collect products, buy level, unlock airdrop, sell cash, buy bandit, collect star, unlock gang, and collect airdrop. Alright. Let's go back here. Yep, there we go. We got 5,001 and 1 cash. Let's see what that says. 50 cash equals 1 TRX. So basically at this point, every 10 hours, I'm going to make 1 TRX. And it costs me... Let's do the math on this real quick. So it cost 100 TRX to get him. And he is basically going to provide 5.5 every hour. Actually, let's do... Hang on. Let's bring up the calculator. So, how do we want to do this? So I have my 100 TRX that I spent. So we want to times that by 50 because that's how much cash I need. And that gives us 5,000 cash to get my 100 TRX back out. So now if we divide that by 5.56, 5.56 equals 899 hours. So if we divide that by 24, 37 days. So 37 days if you just buy one. And because I'm assuming that's not including the rep, which is the smallest. 37 days. If you just straight up and leave it. If you upgrade your leader, it would be faster. It takes 35,000 cash to upgrade the leader. Ah. Yeah, so there's the upgrade button. I've got 1 cash. So, can't really change that without getting a whole bunch going. So once I get 50,000 rep total between all my stuff, then I can claim an extra 5,000 rep. Yeah, so as you like have your total shouldn't have to be 50,000. It's more of after you receive a total of 50,000 rep, then you can get the extra bonus 5,000. It doesn't have to, shouldn't have to be in your wallet. So, $37 days isn't that bad. It means that there is going to be some longevity to it, especially as it's just starting out. Plus, if you're reinvesting this. So let's do this. We know it costs 5,000 rep for that dude. So let's clear that out. 5,000 divided by 10.42 equals, so 27 or 479 hours, 480. So let's divide that by 24 hours in a day. Where's my 4? There we go. So every 20 days you can buy an extra one, and it's going to speed up your income. So basically in 10 days, since I'm going to have another one of these guys, I can speed it up and grab another one. So we're going to go ahead and buy one. I have 5,000 rep. So it's going to ask me to confirm. I have thought about grabbing a couple of these. Let's see, how much Tron am I sitting on? 872. Yeah, let's grab some more. Why not? What's it gonna hurt, right? Let this one increase real quick. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 40,000 should be 800. Yep, it is. So basically, there's my transaction successful. So I got 2 of those guys. My cash is now 11 per hour. We'll give it another minute to convert that over. And I'm gonna buy just a whole bunch of these guys. See how many it'll let me buy. And then I'll pull out my cash daily. Start getting that pulled out. So that'll put me 1,000 Tron invested into this, which isn't that bad. Plus it'll be a fun little game, so let's see. Yep, there's my 40,000. Go ahead and hire. I think it's going to ask me to confirm on each and every one of these. We'll see how long it takes after. I'm going to pause the video, and then once I get all of these hired, then I'll come back on and we'll check out the new numbers. Okay, so I've spent all my rep. Currently says I have 16. That doesn't really make sense though. I should have 10. So we'll see if that self-adjusts or fixes itself or what. But I'm currently making 85 rep per hour and 55 cash per hour. So basically 1 Tron per hour. So I should make about 26 to 27 Tron per day right now. And let's see, at 85 rep per hour, bring the calculator back over here. $85.42. So we'll take our 5,000 that cost to buy that guy, divide by 85.42. So 58 hours. We'll divide that by 24. So 2.5 days. So every 2.5 days I can acquire more big mics. It would take what, 5.5 days to open this, open up botch, and then another 10 days to buy one. Yeah, so they should really swap those two sets of numbers, but what can you say? So yeah, if you're tad on the crazier side, like to do some of these fun things, risk a little, make a little, risk a lot, make a lot, then I'll have a link down in the description. Do what you can. If you want to join, join. If not, don't. Remember, this is all your risk level. Mine's like crazy high. So y'all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.